Well, hello there, my pretties. Are you interested in enrolling with us to be an independent representative spreading natural health and fitness, but you're not sure what to do next after enrolling? You're in our Changemakers group. Invite positive-minded people into our Changemakers group and let them self-select. Let this gorgeous content and community of our Changemakers group do its thing and allow people you invite into our Changemakers group decide if they'd like to be a customer or a fellow independent rep with us, or just stick around and keep soaking up all the free stuff. You never know who is going to look at everything inside of our Changemakers group and feel inspired to enroll. When I create content for our group, you always see how I give clear and precise direction to reach out to the person who invited you here. That's your cue to invite positive-minded people here so I can redirect them back to you after inspiring them to sign up from exposing them to all this gorgeous content. So the gorgeous content I speak of includes free first-class workouts, free healthy medicinal recipes, meaningful tips, action-oriented positive motivation, questions and answers, encouragement, support, actual results that we are getting from using these products, you name it. And as your people enroll, they will have the same access as you to use our Changemakers group to invite their positive-minded people, and so on and so forth. Everything here is based on the model of self-select. That means you select for yourself when you'd like to enroll, and we will support you wherever it is that you are on your continuous journey. If you're interested in becoming a customer or an independent representative, you reach out to me or the person who invited you here. See how easy that is? It's the power of self-selection. If you decide you're interested and you want to do this with us, you let me know or the person who invited you here. All of us who are independent reps have our own company replicated websites. So when you sign up with my company replicated website, I will be your sponsor. If you sign up with somebody else's company replicated website, that person will be your sponsor. When you enroll to become an independent rep with us, you will automatically have your own company replicated website that you will be able to give to people in your circle to enroll with you. So that's why I'm always redirecting people to the person who invited them here. So once this video finishes playing for you, and if you are ready to sign up, let me know. Or if another independent rep invited you here, you let that person know so that we can get you the appropriate link for you to sign up with. And we will do the same for you to make sure the right people sign up with you. Ask any questions you want. How much does it cost? How much time does this take? What's the training like? Earnings potentials? What are the products? And whatever else is on your mind that you'd like to know about, feel free to ask those questions. I've been doing this consistently since the year 2007, so I'm not going anywhere. You have rock solid support by default when you sign up with me or anyone in our team. I look forward to working with you and spreading more of this great idea that we like to call natural health and fitness.